Right, and then I go down.
And then left.
Left.
Down. See how it's going? Now bottom right. I mean top right. Left. You see how it's always going to float? Like, you're always bringing it like a wave from here to here to here to here to here to here. And it's always going to wave back and forward. Do you get it?
Yeah, no, I understand.
No, that's not what I wanted to do. I'm moving so slowly.
Yeah, you did something really wrong.
I'm moving very, very slow. Like tremendously slow for some unknown reason. Stop it, that's freaking me out. I'm serious, I'm moving so slow, it hurts.
Oh, no, this is different. Now the red ones are... Oh, this is a different...
Yeah, so it's not always going to be the same.
Okay,
I'm
like this.
moving really slow.
Plug me up, down. Nope,
This is going to be awful and atrocious all at the same time.
Down. Nope, I was right.
I hate being tired.
Like that?
Yeah.
Down.
This is pathetic.
And then bottom. No.
Bottom one.
Bottom one. Top of that.
Wait.
Down.
That's what I'm supposed to do.
How long? How can I even tell how long this is gonna be?
You're timing it with the second thing in the corner.
Keep going, keep going.
You're smart, I tell you.
This is 15:35.
Yeah, but it's in seconds, man.
It's still going to float.
I'm moving too slow for this to even count, really.
I just gotta memorize the stuff now. That's all I gotta do now.
Can't speak Cupid though.
Same scenario. So I find my... Here's the way I'm gonna do it. So I go down. Is it bottom right? Down. Bottom right. Go to the cube. Right. Down.
I'm doing awful.
It was like 10 seconds. So...
This, like, speaking...
Yeah.